Hey, Amalodians, I welcome you to our one-on-one mentorship with Hammerloaded. In today's episode, I'm going to explain the types of market structure. The first one on the list here is the bearish market structure. The word bearish represents the sellers. When the market structure is bearish, it's a sign that the sellers are the one dominating the market. And as a professional price action trader, what you are supposed to do is to keep selling the market, because the price action says the sellers are the one dominating the market. The second one on the list is the bullish market structure. The word bullish means buyers. So when the market structure is bullish, it's a sign that the buyers are the one ruling the market. When it is bearish market structure, which is number one on the list, that means the price action is falling down, that the sellers are pushing the price action down. So the third one on the list, ranging market. The ranging market structure means that there is no specific direction. It is a type of market structure that lets the trader to get information in the market that at this present moment, between the buyers and the sellers, no one is ruling the market. But in a situation whereby the price action is not giving us a specific direction, the price action is just moving within a certain range. When maybe if the price action is doing something like this, there is no specific movement. So during this ranging market, as a professional price action trader, you are not supposed to do anything. You are not supposed to trade. Just shut down your system until the market switch from the ranging market structure to either the bearish market structure or to bullish market structure. See you next time.